Hello students, welcome back to the online classes of Gokulas Public School. We are studying chapter 2, operations on large numbers. We have discussed exercise 2.1 in our previous lectures. Now today we will discuss exercise 2.2, which is based on the topic multiplication. Okay, exercise 2.2 is based on the topic multiplication. Okay, so we have already learnt how to multiply 3-digit numbers and how to multiply 4-digit numbers by a 2-digit number, right? Means in your previous classes you have discussed multiplication of a number by 2-digit or multiplication of a number by you have already learned how to multiply a 3-digit number by 2-digit and how to multiply 4-digit number by 2-digit, right? But here in this exercise you will learn how to multiply any number by 3-digit numbers or 4-digit numbers. Before starting the topic, let us recall some terms related to multiplication. Terms related to multiplication. Okay, terms related to multiplication. What terms are related to multiplication? Suppose I am multiplying 11 by this number. Okay, I am multiplying 328 by 11. Okay, so the first number is my multiplicand. What I call it? I call it multiplicand. My first number is multiplicand. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, my first number is multiplicand and the number by which I am multiplying is called multiplier. Okay, 328 is the multiplicand and 11 is my multiplier. Okay, now multiply 1 by 8. 1 into 8 is 8. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Now I will multiply by this one. So the position of this one is tens. So I will put 1 0 below the 8. Now multiply the multiplicand by this one. Multiply by 8 is 8. 1 2s are 2 and 1 3s are 3. Now you have done multiplication by both the digits. So what you will do? You will add both the partial products. Now add these two partial products. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. So 0 here, 1 carry over. Now add these digits. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 2 6 and this 3 as it is. So it is your answer. It is your final answer. It is your answer of 328 multiplied by 11. So the result or answer of multiplication is called product. The result or answer of multiplication is called product. These three terms are related to the multiplication. You already know, but for recalling purpose I am telling you. Okay, so this number is multiplicand. The number by which you are multiplying is called a multiplier, and the result of multiplication is called product. Okay, the result of multiplication is called product. So these three were the terms related to multiplication. Now we will solve the exercise 2.2. The result of multiplication is called product. Now open your book, open page number 25 of your book, exercise 2.2, which is on book page number 25. Okay, open book page number 25, exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. First question is multiply the following. Your first question is multiply the following. Part A. What is the question given? 1028 multiplied by 321. 1028 multiplied by 321. It is your question. Now first arrange both the numbers column wise. So I am arranging both the numbers column wise. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, then lakh place comes. Okay, it is my first number 1028, 1028, and other number is 321. I arrange both the numbers column wise. Now put the multiplication symbol as we are doing multiplication. Now how to do multiplication? What you do? It is your multiplier, it is your multiplicand. It is your multiplicand. The first number is your multiplicand, and the number by which you are multiplying is called a multiplier. Multiplier. Okay. What we have done? We have arranged both the numbers column wise. We have put the symbol. Here we are doing multiplication operation. Okay. Now start multiplication. So how you will start multiplication? Always start multiplication from the ones place. This one will get multiplied with the whole number. That is in this step. It is your step 1. You are multiplying by 1, 2 and 3 digit numbers. So this question will be solved in 3 steps. So step 1. In step 1, what you will do? This is your number. You will multiply this number by the 1. So when you multiply this number by 1, you will get 1028 as answer. So write this 1028 here. 1028. Okay. You have done the multiplication with this one. Okay. Now start multiplying the 1028 by 2. Because this 2 is written at tens place, so put a 0 below the ones place. Put a 0 below the ones place. Now it is your second step. So in second step, what you are doing? You are multiplying 2 with the 1028. So write 1028 and multiply this 1028 by 2. Okay, multiply this 1028 by 2. What you will get? Multiply these 2 8s are 60. So 6. Then 1 carry. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 1s are 2. So when you multiply 2 8s are 16. So you will write 6 over here. 1 will be carry. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 1s are 2. So it is your answer. Right? Now your multiplication with 2 is done. Okay, now step 3. In step 3 you will multiply with 1028 by this 3. So in step 3 what you will do? You will multiply 1028 by 3. So multiply 3 8s are. Now listen here, 3 is at hundreds place. So put 2 zeros. Okay. Now start multiplying. 3 8s are 24. So I will write 4 here. 2 is carry forward. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So I am writing 8 here. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, it is your step 3. I told you that when you multiply by 3-digit number, your question will be solved in 3 steps. So we solve the 3 steps. Now add all these 3 numbers. Now add all these 3 numbers. Okay. Now add all these 3 numbers. 8 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So you will write 9 over here. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 3 plus nothing is 3. Okay. So we got our product. What is it? It is our final result. And the result of multiplication is called product. The result of multiplication is called product. So it is our product. Okay. If we multiply any number by 4 digit, then we have to, our steps, number of steps will be 4 in that question. Okay. It is our first question. Now let us solve the part B. Now let us solve part B. In part B, 4721 multiplied by 521. It is our given question. You have to multiply 4721 by 521. Right? The first number is your multiplicand, the second number is multiplier. Okay, now put the multiply symbol. Now start multiplication. What we have done, we have arranged the numbers column wise, we have put the symbol. Now we are going to start multiplication. So for start multiplication, what will be your first step? Step 1. What will be your first step? You will multiply ones place with all the digits of the multiplicand. Okay, so in first step, you will multiply 4721 by this 1. When you multiply 4721 by 1, you will get 4721 as the answer. So 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 sevens are 7, 1 fours are 4. This is your first step done. Now step 2. In step 2, what you have to do? You will multiply this 4721 by this 2. Okay, the place of 2 is 20. So you will put 1 0 below the ones column. Now start multiplying this number 4721 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14. So you will write 4 over here. 1 will be regrouped with the next column. Now 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So put 9 over here. So in second step, what we have done? We have multiplied 4721 by 2. What we got? We got 94,420 as our answer. It was step 2. Now next step, in next step you will multiply 4721 by 5. In step 3, what you will do? You will multiply 4721 by 5. So start multiplying. Step 3, 4721 will multiply by 5. As 5 is At which place? It is at hundreds place. So you have to put 2 zeros. Okay, in columns. Be remember, put all the digits in column. Okay, now start multiplying. 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. So you will write 0 over here and 1 will be regrouped with the next column. Now 5 sevens are, tell me the answer. 5 tens are, 5 sevens are, right, 5 sevens are 35. Okay, 35 and 1 was carry. So add the carry. 35 plus 1 is 36. So you will write 6 over here. 3 will be regrouped with the next column. Okay, now multiply this 5 with the 4. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So write 23. Okay, we have done with our 3 steps. Now what you will do? You will add all these partial products. Okay, now add all these partial products. Our digits are up to 10 lakhs. So make one more column for 10 lakhs. Okay, now add all the partial products of step 1, step 2 and step 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 2 plus 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. So write 4. Now solve the next column. Add 7 plus 4 plus 5. Add all 3 digits. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 5 is, count on fingers. 11 plus 5 is 16. So you will write 6 over here. 1 will be regrouped with the next column. Now add the digits in the next column. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is, yes, what is the answer? 5 plus 4 is, right, 9. 9 plus 0 is again 9. Now add the digits in the next column, that is 9 and 6. Add the 9 and 6. 9 and 6 are, add fast. 9 plus 6 is, you can draw these sticks to count or you can count on finger marks also. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 5 here, 1 will be regrouped with the next column. Now add 1 plus 3, 4 and 2 as it is, as no digits are over here. So it is your final answer. It is your answer of the multiplication. What we call it? We call it product. The result of the multiplication is called product. So it is our answer. What is the answer? 24,59,641. 24,59,641 is your final answer, which you call product. So this is how we multiply any number by 3-digit number. Okay. Now let us take one more example of this question. Part G. Okay. Now I am going to solve part G for you. The remaining questions you will solve. In part G, 5005 multiplied by 1210. Okay. Part G, 5005 multiplied by 1210. So what you will do? First observe this. Here you have to multiply 5005 by a 4-digit number. So you are multiplying by a 4-digit number. So here your number of steps to solve will be 4. 4 steps will be there in your solutions. Okay. Now arrange both the numbers column wise first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Now arrange both the numbers. 5005 and second number is 12,010. Now multiply both the numbers. So what is this? This is your multiplicand. The first number is your multiplicand. The number by which you are multiplying is called multiplier. It is your multiplier. Okay. We have done the first step, that is we arrange both the numbers column wise. We have put the symbol. Now start multiplying. So in first step what you will do? You will multiply the 0 by 5005. Okay. So in step 1 you will multiply 5005 by 0. You will get 0 as answer. Okay, we remember when you multiply any number by 0, the answer is 0. It is the property of multiplication. We will discuss it in another lecture. But we remember when you multiply 0 by any number, you got 0. So 0 multiplied 5 is 0. 0 multiplied 0 will be 0. 0 multiplied by 0 will be 0. 0 multiplied by 5 will be 0. Okay. Now we have done the first step. Now move to the next digit, that is 1. 1 is at tens place, so put a 0 in ones column. Now start multiplying this 1 by 5005. So when you multiply, it is your second step. What you will do? You will multiply 5005 by 1. So when you multiply 1 5s are 5. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 5s are 5. Okay. Okay. So we have done 2 steps. Now move to the third step. In third step what we will do? We will multiply 5005 by 2. Multiply by 2. So as you first observe that 2 is at hundreds place, so you will put 2 0. You have to put 2 zeros. Now you can multiply. 2 5s are 10, so you will write 0 over here. 1 will be regrouped with the next column. Now 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1, so write 1 over here. Now 2 into 0 is 0. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10, so you will write 10 here. Okay. Now step 3 is done. Now you have to multiply 5005 this 1. It is the step 4. Step 4. 5005 multiplied by 1. Okay, now multiply. First observe that this 1 is at thousands place. So you have to put 3 zeros now. In 1000, 3 zeros are there. That is why here also 1 is at thousands place. So we are putting 3 zeros. Now multiply. 1 5s are 5. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 5s are 5. Okay. We have done all 4 steps. Now add all these 4 step answer together. Add these 4 step answers. Okay. So always start adding from the ones column. So now add 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5, 5 plus 0 plus 0. We got 5. Now add the next column digits. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Now add the digits in the next column. 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. So we write 6. Okay, now add the digits in next column. The digits are 5, 0 and 0. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Again 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay. Now add the digits in the next column. In next column 0. Both the digits are 0. When you get 0, you will get 0 as the answer. Okay. Now add the digits in the last column. The digits are 1 and 5. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay. So 60 lakh 56,000. 60 lakh, it is comma. Okay. 60 lakh 56,050 is your final answer. And the answer of multiplication is called product. We remember, answer of multiplication or the result of multiplication is called product. Okay, so it is your result. So here first question I am covering here. The remaining all the questions are your homework. I hope you got the topic. The word problems we will solve in our next coming lectures. Till then, bye students, complete your homework before the next lecture.